So I'm accused of stalking my baby's mama. The only social media outlets I got left is this gaming world right here and YouTube. That's it. I don't get on any other social media, period. All I have left is if I decide to comment on PlayStation here, that's the box I click on, and then all of that switches over, and it looks similar to what, Facebook and Twitter looks like down there. I used to be able to just use the app itself on the device to post a comment instead of actually having to access the console itself. I fear that I have to start live streaming again, which is why I'm downloading these two games right here. So if I'm going to be live streaming, it's going to be these two video games, Skyrim and The Ancestors. Now, the reason why I've been watching Game of Thrones lately is because I miss playing Skyrim. But the problem is with me being accused of stalking my baby's mama now is that my landlord and my mom knows exactly where they live. I don't. I recently cut connections with my mom because I wouldn't let her borrow money for her drinking and smoking cigarette habits. But seeing as how I'm being accused of stalking my baby's mama and my landlord knowing exactly where they live, that makes this situation a little bit more fucked up. So, after these two games are done downloading, I will connect my account to YouTube again. Start live streaming again. In case I get another fucked up message, I will start live streaming. That way, people will see that I'm on YouTube live streaming. I will have evidence saying, hey, this is exactly what the fuck I'm doing right here, and you're trying to accuse me of fucking stalking you? Even online, fuck you. Look at that. I can't lie about this. Look at that. That's a missing fingertip. My dad witnessed this shit. He will tell you how I had my hand in the air watching the blood just pump out of this fucking fingertip. There's no lie in this fucked up shit. But I'm being accused of stalking my baby's mama. I don't know where she lives. I don't know what she do. I don't give a fuck what the fuck she's doing. As far as I know, they're the ones who probably helped get me shut down across the fucking platforms online. But seeing as how they don't know what my YouTube channel name is anymore, they can't find me. But they do know my PlayStation gamer tag, so they'll probably look for that. They'll probably want to get my YouTube channel shut down again. Just so they can make sure I don't have nothing on my side to prove what the fuck I was actually doing. What you females are doing is proving the manosphere right. You are proving what MGTOW is all about. You are proving what red pill is about. All just because I wouldn't let my mom borrow beer money, cigarette money. Because I wanted to save money for something I wanted to enjoy spending on. Ain't female's nature just fucking beautiful?